welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a Super Bowl vlog. It's a little after 3. I'm going to go ahead and start on making a lot of the snack foods that I thought I'd share. It's just me. I'm just staying in. It's a rainy, very cold, gloomy day, and I just feel like being cozy. So on the agenda of things to make, I am going to make a barbecue beer meatballs in the crock pot, something I saw on someone else's video. It's literally just barbecue, beer, and you put everything in the crock pot. So that'll be made, and then I got stuff to make like I think they call them like cracked out celery sticks. Basically you make a filling with cream cheese and a few other things and you fill them. So we're gonna do that, and I got jalapeno for a sprinkling because I'm gonna do my own take on like a 7-layer dip, sort of. At least we're gonna try it. This is just something I've decided I'm gonna put together myself. But I wanted a jalapeno, and when you do grocery pickup, they usually give you a lot more than just one. So I've figured with some cream cheese, I'm gonna actually do a couple jalapeno stuffed with cream cheese wrapped in bacon, like I did at 4th of July. And I think that's pretty much. Oh, and then I saw a fun little easy dessert idea on Pinterest, taking brownie bites and icing to make them look like footballs. So we're going to do that as well. So we have a small little dessert. Pretty much all of these are super easy. Hopefully you're very tasty. Thought I would share them with you and probably show you how I set everything up later, but we want to get started on prepping some of these foods. So we're going to start with a crock pot because those need to get going. So it's a while later, about 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the rest of the food. I'm gonna get the stuff in the air fryer that needs to go, which will be the jalapeno, cream cheese, bacon wrap things I made. So I'm gonna get those in the air fryer, and then I'll show you the brownie bites. Oh, and I gotta make the dip thing. So let's get going, and yeah, we'll get this done. So this is the super easy dessert I found. You just need some brownie bites and some icing, which I have a tip for. All right, and then I think I'm only gonna do a few because obviously it's just me. Basically, you're just gonna draw with the icing a line. That way they look like little footballs. I thought this was a really cute idea. So, super easy. So like I mentioned, I'm making my own take on a layered dip. Like queso, guac, salsa, sour cream. We'll sprinkle a little bit of cheese, a little bit of jalapeno, and a little bit of tomato on top. And we should be able to see the layers through the cup. So we got the jalapenos, the celery stuffed. I got my brownie bites, some chips to go with this dip, and then these meatballs. And I'm just gonna have a sparkling water over here. So I hope that everybody enjoyed the game. I know this will be up after, but I wanted to share the snacks that I made in case you need an appetizer for something. And I will link the recipe for the celery and the meatballs down below because those were things I found online or Pinterest. As for the dip, that was just something I came up with on my own. And then the brownies obviously are pretty cut and dry. And the jalapeno poppers I've made before, but they're good. I'm gonna watch the game. As always, I hope everybody enjoyed and I hope everybody has a blessed day.